Have you ever promised yourself, from tomorrow I'll start speaking English? But tomorrow comes. You get busy. You forget. And another day passes without speaking even a single sentence. Now imagine something different. Imagine waking up every morning, opening your eyes, and speaking just a few simple English sentences. No grammar books, no pressure, no memorizing difficult vocabulary. Just natural English, the kind that real people use every day. Here's the truth. Confidence in English doesn't come from knowing thousands of words. It comes from using a few words every single day. Today, I'm going to practice morning English with you. We'll go from the moment you wake up until you're ready to start your day. Repeat every sentence after me. Don't worry if your pronunciation isn't perfect. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Remember, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. So let's begin. Part 1, waking up. Imagine your alarm rings. You slowly open your eyes. Here are your first English sentences. Repeat after me. Good morning. Again, good morning. Excellent. It's a new day. Again, it's a new day. Perfect. I woke up early today. Again, I woke up early today. Very good. I feel fresh. Again, I feel fresh. Excellent. I feel sleepy. Again, I feel sleepy. Great. I need 5 more minutes. Again, I need 5 more minutes. Perfect. I should get up now. Again, I should get up now. Excellent. I don't want to be late. Again, I don't want to be late. Wonderful. Today is going to be a great day. Again, today is going to be a great day. Amazing. I am thankful for this morning. Again, I am thankful for this morning. Fantastic. Remember, repetition creates confidence. The more you repeat, the more naturally English comes to you. Part 2, getting out of bed. Now you sit on your bed. Stretch your arms. Take a deep breath. Let's continue. I'm getting out of bed. Again, I'm getting out of bed. Excellent. I need to wake up completely. Again, I need to wake up completely. Very good. Let me stretch my body. Again, let me stretch my body. Great. I feel much better now. Again, I feel much better now. Excellent. I'm ready to start my day. Again, I'm ready to start my day. Perfect. Where are my slippers? Again, where are my slippers? Very nice. I need to make my bed. Again, I need to make my bed. Excellent. My room looks clean. Again, my room looks clean. Wonderful. I should open the window. Again, I should open the window. Great. Fresh air feels nice. Again, fresh air feels nice. Fantastic. The more you repeat, the easier English becomes. Part 3, looking in the mirror. Now walk to the bathroom. Stand in front of the mirror. Smile. Let's practice. Good morning, me. Again. Good morning, me. Excellent. I look sleepy. Again. I look sleepy. Very good. I need to wash my face. Again. I need to wash my face. Perfect. Let me brush my teeth. Again. Let me brush my teeth. Excellent. The water feels cold. Again. The water feels cold. Great. I need a shower. Again, I need a shower. Wonderful. I feel fresh now. Again, I feel fresh now. Excellent. I should comb my hair. Again, I should comb my hair. Very good. I am getting ready. Again, I am getting ready. Amazing. I look better now. Again, I look better now. Fantastic. Every sentence you speak makes your English stronger. Part 4, getting ready. Now it's time to get dressed. Repeat after me. What should I wear today? Again, what should I wear today? Excellent. This shirt looks nice. Again, this shirt looks nice. Great. These clothes are comfortable. Again, these clothes are comfortable. Perfect. Where are my socks? Again, where are my socks? Very good. I found them. Again, I found them. Excellent. I need to iron my clothes. Again, I need to iron my clothes. Wonderful. I'm almost ready. Again, I'm almost ready. Great. Everything looks good. Again, everything looks good. Excellent. I feel confident today. Again, I feel confident today. Fantastic. Let's go. Again, let's go. You're doing great. Keep speaking. Part 5, breakfast time. Now you're in the kitchen. Let's practice together. I'm hungry. Again, I'm hungry. Excellent. What's for breakfast? Again, what's for breakfast? Very good. I'm making tea. Again, I'm making tea. Perfect. I'm making coffee. Again, I'm making coffee. Great. I'm boiling water. Again, I'm boiling water. Excellent. The food smells delicious. Again, the food smells delicious. Wonderful. Please pass the bread. Again, please pass the bread. Very good. I would like some milk. Again, I would like some milk. Excellent. This tastes really good. Again, this tastes really good. Fantastic. I'm full now. Again, I'm full now. Amazing. Part 6, planning the day. Every successful day starts with a positive mind. Let's practice. I have a busy day. Again, I have a busy day. Excellent. I have many things to do. Again, I have many things to do. Very good. I need to finish my work. Again, I need to finish my work. Perfect. I have an important meeting. Again, I have an important meeting. Great. I should study today. Again, I should study today. Excellent. I will stay focused. Again, I will stay focused. Wonderful. I won't waste my time. Again, I won't waste my time. Perfect. Today I will improve my English. Again, today I will improve my English. Excellent. I believe in myself. Again, I believe in myself. Amazing. I can do it. Again, I can do it. Fantastic. Part 7, leaving home. Now you're ready to leave. Let's practice. Where are my keys? Again, where are my keys? Excellent. Where's my phone? Again, where's my phone? Very good. Did I lock the door? Again, did I lock the door? Perfect. I have my wallet. Again, I have my wallet. Great. I'm leaving now. Again, I'm leaving now. Excellent. See you later. Again, see you later. Wonderful. Have a nice day. Again, have a nice day. Perfect. Take care. Again. Take care. Excellent. I'll be back soon. Again. I'll be back soon. Great. Let's have a productive day. Again. Let's have a productive day. Fantastic. Part 8, Daily Conversation Practice. Now, let's have a simple conversation. Listen first, then repeat. Good morning. Again. Good morning. Good morning. Again. Good morning. How are you? Again. How are you? I'm doing great. Again. I'm doing great. Did you sleep well? Again. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept very well. Again. Yes, I slept very well. What are you doing? Again. What are you doing? I'm getting ready for work. Again. I'm getting ready for work. Have you had breakfast? Again. Have you had breakfast? Yes, I have. Again. Yes, I have. What are your plans today? Again. What are your plans today? I have to study and work. Again. I have to study and work. Sounds good. Again. Sounds good. Have a wonderful day. Again. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Again. Thank you. You too. Again. You too. Excellent. Natural conversations become easy with daily practice. Part 9, Confidence Practice. Close your eyes. Believe in yourself. Repeat with confidence. I can speak English. Again, I can speak English. I improve every day. Again, I improve every day. Mistakes help me learn. Again, mistakes help me learn. I am not afraid. Again, I am not afraid. I speak with confidence. Again, I speak with confidence. I enjoy learning English. Again, I enjoy learning English. Every morning I become better. Again, every morning I become better. English is becoming easy. Again, English is becoming easy. I trust myself. Again, I trust myself. I will never give up. Again, I will never give up. Excellent. Confidence grows every single day. Part 10, 20 quick morning sentences. Let's finish with a quick revision. Repeat after me. Good morning. Again, good morning. I woke up early. Again, I woke up early. I feel fresh. Again, I feel fresh. I'm ready. Again, I'm ready. Let's begin. Again, let's begin. I need water. Again, I need water. I'm brushing my teeth. Again, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm taking a shower. Again, I'm taking a shower. I'm getting dressed. Again, I'm getting dressed. I'm making breakfast. Again, I'm making breakfast. I'm drinking tea. Again, I'm drinking tea. I'm eating eggs. Again, I'm eating eggs. The weather is nice. Again, the weather is nice. I feel happy. Again, I feel happy. I'm leaving home. Again, I'm leaving home. See you later. Again, see you later. Have a great day. Again, have a great day. Take care. Again, take care. I'll do my best today. Again, I'll do my best today. Today is a beautiful day. Again, today is a beautiful day. Excellent. If you repeat these sentences every morning for the next 30 days, you'll notice a big difference. Speaking English will become easier, your confidence will grow, and you'll start thinking in English naturally. Congratulations! You completed today's morning English practice. Be proud of yourself. Remember, fluency doesn't come from studying once. It comes from speaking every single day. Even 5 minutes of daily practice can completely change your English. So tomorrow morning, come back, practice again, speak with confidence, smile, and never be afraid of making mistakes. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep practicing, keep improving, and always remember, every morning is a new opportunity to become a better English speaker.